What's going on today? Um, I am bringing you another video. Um, this is going to be the quiz for the lesson that we just covered. And before I just start the video and start to answer these questions, I want to say thank you for the support, as well as if you're not subbed, make sure to hit that sub button. But without further ado, let's get into it. So, what is the purpose of indentation in white space? To change the display of elements? No. To make sure the browser correctly interprets nested elements in an HTML file? No. To make code more readable? Yes. It helps the code be more readable. Now, the contents of a title tag will appear where in the modern browser? The last line of the web page. It does not appear anywhere. The first line of the web page, the browser's tab. Yep. Now, all code must be nested on which of the following tags? Now, before I do continue with this, if you want to pause before I answer it and see what you get and compare it to my answer, I think that'll help you out a little more. But yeah, so it's going to be HTML right here. And then we can do which of the following elements would create a link to a local HTML file called aboutme.html? So href aboutme.html. This one right here. Yep. Because you have the dot slash, and then you do aboutme.html, and then don't forget the closing anchor tag as well. Which of the following is a current HTML standard? HTML5. Which of the following is the correct syntax for a comment? So, it's a comment here. No, pretty sure I'm a comment. It's a comment. I'm definitely a comment. So this would work in Java. This is close. I think that's Python. And then this is HTML. Now the following HTML code should exist within the following tags. Should exist in head, always head. The following code is supposed to create a link to another web page, but it fails to do so. Why? The anchor tag is missing and missing the href element to set the URL of the Codecademy website. Yes, this one. The following code creates a link to another web page. Which of the following will cause the web page to open in a new browser? Remember, target and setting it to _link will trigger a new window when the link is clicked. Why should the document type declaration be included in all HTML documents? Now, without it, any HTML code is invalid. To specify the HTML standard, without it, the web page will not be allowed. No. To specify what content will display in the browser. I believe to specify the HTML standard used in the content. And then which of the following tags instructs the browsers to expect a well-formed HTML document? This one. Yep, that's the declaration tag. And then which of the following elements contains a web page's metadata? Remember, the metadata is inside of the head. The head contains all of the web page's metadata. But there you go, the HTML document standards quiz, 100% on the quiz. And if you did pause all the way through and watch it, and I do appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.